Hello and welcome to another episode of the Uranium Market Minute. Today is Friday, March 18th, and this is episode number 94. My name is Justin Hune. I am your host. I'm the founder and publisher of the Uranium Insider Pro newsletter, the only investing newsletter that focuses solely on uranium and publishes on a regular monthly basis. Again, nothing in this video is intended to be investing advice. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please always do your own due diligence when it comes to investing and always take responsibility for your own choices. All right, thank you so much for being here. A wild ride for this investment. My gosh, the past 2 weeks have just been crazy ups and downs between the Zaporizhzhia power plant scare that was 2 weeks ago, followed a few days later by rumors that the White House was considering sanctioning Rosatom, followed then by a sell-off due to a lot of that hot money that came in expecting those sanctions to follow through. Then the earthquake outside Fukushima, that was 2 days ago. And then yesterday, we were hearing news that Senator Barrasso from Wyoming has introduced a Senate bill pushing for the banning of all Russian imports of uranium. And so the market took off again. It's just been up and down, up and down. So, and now today, Friday, we're having the same sort of low volume type Friday type trading when there's just a lot of still risk off situations happening in the world. Uranium shares are roughly flat on the day. So I'm actually not even going to go over the charts right now. The volumes are so low. And I think I'm just going to blow through the mailbag section and just make a couple of notes on what I'm seeing in the market and then highlight a couple of things going into the weekend. So the spot price is up about $2 from the lows 2 days ago or 3 days ago on Tuesday. The lows of this week and of this pullback since spot's been largely out of the market. Now sitting at 56.37 a pound mid-market. Spot raised 16.9 million on Wednesday, but nothing yesterday, and they did not purchase any more pounds of uranium either of those 2 days. Again, I was out of the office yesterday, so we're giving 2-day totals here. They're sitting on 51.9 million pounds total. They've purchased 10.6 million pounds this year so far, and they've raised 575 million in new capital in just over 8 weeks for this current year. Just phenomenal numbers coming from Sprott. They closed at a small premium to NAV yesterday, and they're trading up slightly on the day. So maybe they're getting that 1%, probably not. Either way, the volumes are so low. The money they're going to raise today is negligible. And they're sitting on 76.8 million in cash. Now, if the equity ETFs did not report any change in outstanding shares yesterday, however, on Wednesday, URA reported a decrease of 230,000 shares and URNM a decrease of 100,000 shares. That was mandated selling of 11.3 million. And clearly that was on the day of the Fukushima earthquake. And of course, as I reiterated in the previous Uranium Market Minute that I did on Wednesday, there was no issues whatsoever with any of the power plants in Japan due to that earthquake. That's still a pretty sizable earthquake, but it's orders of magnitude smaller than the one that they experienced in 2011. There are no operating nuclear plants on the eastern seaboard, the northeastern seaboard of Japan, and all of the operating nuclear power plants in Japan, none of them had any issues due to this earthquake. These are very robust plants, and they can withstand earthquakes of this magnitude all day long and repeatedly. Okay, so instead of doing a mailbag section, I just wanted to speak briefly about the event that's happening tomorrow. This is Rick Rule's Uranium Investors Bootcamp. I'm going to be on a panel with Rick Rule and Lobo Tigre. Very much looking forward to that. I'll be speaking on this panel. That will be at 2:25 p.m. Pacific time, 5:25 p.m. Eastern time. Hopefully we'll see you there. This event is behind a paywall, and in my opinion, it's worth the $99 to register for this event simply to hear a couple of the speakers. One of those would be the guys from WMC Energy. They are the trading house that goes out and buys uranium for SPUT. They have a very unique perspective on this market, let's say. And so I'm really looking forward to hearing them speak. Of course, John Ciampaglia will be speaking from Sprott, Grant Isaac from Cameco, Askar Badarbaya will be speaking from Kazatomprom, and there are many other speakers that are well worth listening to. It's a full day event. I'm super excited about it. And I have been informed by the folks behind this boot camp, the people that are behind it, that if you do register and you aren't able to attend live, you will have access to the recording of the entire event. So if anybody is considering it but can't attend live tomorrow, you can have access to all that information, all of the speakers, all of the recordings after the event. Now, I'm not getting paid to speak there. I'm going to put a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I just think this is a very well-timed event considering everything that's going on. As you know, all of the details that I share with you all, and if you're members, of course, you get even further details on this market, that I'm very bullish and very excited about this market going forward. So this is a very cool event. I'm looking forward to speaking. I'm very honored to be a part of it, and hopefully we'll see you there. If not, either way, I hope you all have a great weekend, and we will see you again on Monday. Take care and cheers.